Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hello everyone, Rick here, helping you to master technology. This video is about the unboxing and overview of Honor 10, so, let's get started. The Honor 10 is Huawei's cut-price premium smartphone offering that hopes to go toe-to-toe with iPhones and Samsungs for about one-third less than the average price. Strangely, the Honor 10 is the second Honor phone with 10 in its name launched this year, following the Honor 10 View released in February. The unboxing is as usual, the box contains the charger and the data cable etc. The Honor 10 View is still on sale for £450, which is £50 more than the Honor 10, and has a slightly bigger screen. The Honor 10 follows the trend set by Samsung with the Galaxy S6 3 years ago of having glass on front and back. The glass on the back is curved, the phone's edges are polished metal, making it feel almost exactly like a Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9. It's smooth, feels very well made and is undoubtedly the most premium feeling Honor yet that belies its budget market positioning. The 5.84-inch LCD screen fills most of the front of the device, short of a fingerprint sensor at the bottom and a notch into the screen at the top containing a selfie camera, earpiece speaker, and sensor. It is proving to be the year of the notch and the Honor 10 is bang on trend. The screen looks very good, with solid brightness and colors, and it is pretty crisp. It isn't as good as Huawei's OLED screen on its top-end P20 Pro, nor the OLED screen on the closer competitor OnePlus 6, but it is still a good-looking display and most will be very pleased with it. Positioning fingerprint scanners on the front of the device isn't a new thing, but the Honor 10 has one of the first commercially available ultrasonic fingerprint scanners, most others are capacitive. As such there's no groove or other physical markings separating it from the glass. It works with damp hands, but requires a much firmer press than capacitive scanners and was a little slower than the Honor 10 View's traditional fingerprint reader. At 153G and 7.7mm thick, the Honor 10 feels pretty light and slim, stacking up well compared with top-end competition. The thin bezels around the relatively small screen mean it's also quite small for a modern smartphone, and therefore easy to handle. There's a headphone jack in the bottom, which is becoming a rare feature. The Honor 10 is another example of an excellent smartphone that comes very close to matching the latest top-of-the-range phones, but costs significantly less. On the whole, Huawei has cut the right corners to make the Honor 10 shine against the competition. Of course it isn't perfect, and lacks wireless charging and water resistance. But it has many redeeming features, feeling every bit as good in the hand as a phone costing twice as much. The screen is good, the camera, if you turn off the AI mode, is good, performance and battery life are good, and it even still has a headphone socket. The Honor 10 is so good I'm not quite sure why you would buy Huawei's other 5.8-inch phone with a notch, the P20, that costs another £179. Which means Huawei is competing with itself. Compared to rivals, you have to spend another £69 to find a better phone in the OnePlus 6, meaning the Honor 10 is arguably the best phone you can get right now for £400. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.